Glover and I'm the Managing Director here at CNC Robotics. CNC Robotics is the UK's leading integrator specialising in machining applications. We're a proud Platinum KUKA system partner, having successfully delivered hundreds of systems across multiple industries. During the days leading up to lockdown, we worked tirelessly behind the scenes looking at the various different scenarios and carrying out a thorough risk assessment. We worked with the team to put in place new operating procedures to enable us to continue to operate as safely as possible. As a business, we're really proud we've remained fully operational during lockdown, and we put in place measures to ensure that our team's physical and mental well-being was protected at all times. Those working in the design and development side of the business were immediately able to work remotely, as we already had the right software in place to enable this vital process to continue. However, as a company specialising in the integration of robots, there's simply some activity that can't be done off-site, such as electrical and mechanical work. Through the introduction of an informal shift pattern, we reduced the number of essential staff on site at any given time, whilst ensuring we adhered to government guidelines. The team's ability to adapt has enabled us to continue to drive the business forward, and we could not be more proud of the team we have here at CNC Robotics. We've continued to support our clients and the wider manufacturing community during this challenging time, and organisations such as Composites UK and Make UK have been invaluable to us as a business. We've just finished our first installation during lockdown, with many more ahead of us, and our clients' feedback has really reinforced the value that robotics can bring to the manufacturing community. The current situation has the potential to really amplify the benefits technology can bring to the manufacturing community as businesses look to build resilience into their manufacturing operations. Whilst there are many challenges out there, I believe we will come out of this stronger and more resilient by working together as a community. We're really proud to be part of the membership community at Composites UK, and hope everyone is safe and well.